Hey guys, so this is going to be a super short update video as I'm going to actually be moving this YouTube channel to my main account, which is just my name. It's going to be in the description and there's probably going to be a card on screen right now that you can check out. So it's still mainly going to be based around game development and pixel art tutorials, but I feel I can do more with that channel and I'll be able to open up to a bigger audience. You might see occasional videos on things like video games, calisthenics, and gymnastics, but for the most part, we're going to keep it to the game developer style content. I think it will benefit me overall. Also, real quick, if you are interested in the content that is being shown in the video right now, this is actually the newest video that I just released today on my main channel, where I basically take a game from scratch and build the entire game for you guys so you guys can see the step-by-step process of everything it takes to make a video game. I try to make it as interesting as possible and will speed up a lot of the process that's unneeded. So I hope you guys go to my main channel and check that one out. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you there.